I lost 30 pounds and have kept it off for 5 years. There's a strange contradiction in the diet world. Everyone seems to accept it without question. Think about it. Almost every diet, weight loss pill, supplement or program is encouraging you to consume more of. Weird, right? No one is talking about how to make it easier to eat less. They try and convince you that eating less is hard, scary, bad for you, and that it's just not appropriate. And they leave out the fact that it's the only sustainable solution to permanent weight control. Now, Brad's permanent solution to weight loss is not new. As far back as ancient Greece, the famous philosophers of the day were promoting the same principles found in Eat Stop Eat. And as we've seen, it's really just a way for you to mimic the way your ancestors ate. It's what kept them lean and healthy. And it's what your body still craves today. So it may seem strange that science has taken so long to catch up. Well, that may not be true. You see, the scientific research has been there for years, and it continues to build up. However, studies that tell you to consume less don't get the same backing and marketing dollars as studies that hint you can buy a pill, eat a certain food, or purchase a certain supplement and lose weight. Using Brad's specific method actually improves your metabolism, preserves your lean muscle tone, and can be used by anyone to improve organ health, reverse signs of aging, and achieve your lifelong ideal weight. Benefits of Eat Stop Eat. It boosts your #1 fat-burning hormone 15x. It is the original cleanse and detox healing protocol. Eat Stop Eat protect muscle mass when you do it properly. There's good evidence that it may actually help you build new muscle more quickly if that's your goal. It boosts your metabolism so that you eat more and still lose more weight. It reverses the cases of accelerated aging. It works for everyone, man or woman, old or young. Your body can't burn fat when your insulin is high. It's a hormone that signals your fat cells to store more fat, and it locks existing fat in your cells. During the Eat Stop Eat protocol, your insulin levels will drop to 1/3 of regular levels, allowing you to burn fat at an extreme pace. Don't you want to learn how to eat properly to reduce your weight and gain your confidence back? Then click the link in the description box to join this program. Eat Stop Eat offers a 60-day guarantee.